Hello guys, welcome back to CRD. Today we are learning about PyQt 6 guys. Riverbank has launched PyQt 6 for us to use and there are a lot of features in PyQt 6. So let's see what are the new features in PyQt 6 over PyQt 5 and PyQt 4. As you can see, this is the command to install pip install PyQt 6 is the command. You can copy and install it. And now let me see its documentation. So let me go to their website Riverbank Computing and let's see how can we use it and how can we use its components and the license. So here it is the documentation and here is the license. As you can see, it has said that PyQt does not include a copy of Qt. You must contain a correctly licensed copy of Qt yourself. However, binary wheels of GPL version of PyQt 6 and PyQt 5 are provided and this includes a copy of the corresponding LGPL version of Qt. Okay, now here is the PyQt components and these are for PyQt 5 and PyQt 4. You have already seen about these, but we have to see about PyQt 6. So let me go in documentation of PyQt 6. So click here and here is the components and license. Let me see first the license of PyQt 6 that it is used. We can use it in our softwares or not. As you can see here, it has written PyQt 6 online. Most of Qt is not available under the LGPL. You can find its license or you can purchase its commercial license from here. Okay, so you can purchase its license, but I'm not going to do this for now. You can also use its Qt designer and you can use the command pyusc 6 at the place of pyusc 5. So let me go in the components and let's see what are new in its components. So let me click on PyQt 6 components and here at PyQt 6 components, let me come to the modules or classes. We can see here it is Qt 3D animation, 3D core and the Qt core, 3D extras, all are 3Ds and also previous are attached Qt core, Qt UI and also Qt designer. So let me check its Qt designer module. So all are these features for Qt designer as you can see guys, and also some more things like you can see there are many 3D components here guys. So let me install it and let me see if it is working on my system or not. Write here the command pip install pyqt 6 and hit enter. And it is installing PyQt 6, PyQt 6 zips and PyQt 6 Qt6. So it has successfully installed. So let me check its directory. So let me copy this directory where is my Python and under run command we can go to sat packages. I'm already in sat packages now and now search for PyQt 6. So here it is PyQt 6 And now as I go at Qt Designer and writing Qt Designer plugins, they have said you have to make the plugins for new PyUI 6 components. So let me use the previous PyQt 5. Okay, and I have already made an application using PyQt 5. Let me show you. Here it is. I have made a frame here, and this is my UI. Okay, using PyQt 5 Qt Designer, and I will convert it using PyQt 6. So how I'll do? I will just open CMD here, or I'm using Git Bash. You can use CMD or PowerShell, anything. And under the bash, I'm using the command pyuic 6, and next I will pass my anchor frame dot UI, that means the source, and next I'll pass here output file name, and I'll name it like main.py. okay, and hitting enter. Now here it is, my main.py. I can close it, and when I will see it, here it is PyQt 6, and all the codes are converted using PyQt 6 widgets. So let me see, it has not called this class, so I can go to the documentation of Qt Designer, and I'll just copy this thing from here, which is same as PyQt 5. So I will just paste it here, and I will call it like Qt widgets.qt application, and also it's calling QDialog. So I will call here qtgy.qdialog. okay, and at last I will call my class. So I'll just copy the class name, and at the place of image dialog I will pass here anchor frame, and save and run. Since it's not defined, so let me import sys, and now hitting enter. Now sorry, QDialog is not in Qt's UI, but Qt widgets. And guys, here it is my frame, and it is working fine. Okay, here it is the application. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and you can go to the documentation of Qt 6, and you can see the next new features came under the PyQt 6, and you can use these. Thanks for watching guys. Keep updated with subscribing and pressing the bell icons. Thanks for watching.